Hello, agus fáilte hiic Na Seansálaithe, mas maidh seansa glacú Na Seansálaithe. Is me sé Hugh McGilly cheada agus oh my god, tá má cho fecin ché. Tá cho ché is tí sa charmar seo, neas an céfá sin gur deag man radio gáil. Níos sin rá táhachtta an rud is táhachttaí ná go is a géis leis an Eagrán is nuad in Na Seansálaithe agus tá man seo marscra lemhuid cólachaí lemhuid cairde ar dúspáir tá man seo le Áine bhuiir Áine, go dtí mar tá.
Mai hinis, mar dúirtú tan green ataniu. Ní mé ládó, ní mé go sé sin. It's bug the breeze and sean adiu. Tá sé jazz, but ní sé cos le furnace change.
No, it's such a manic, yeah. I'm hot under the collar. I was can't be hot under the collar to man shaw fast let James O'Flaherty. James, could you remember that too?
Come on. Fucking your third shot, but you know, sure look. One noch afternoon, so can't complain. August look. Throw another 10 degrees more valor. Tim should get a knees so hot and spicy. How I like it. She not my ear. Come on.
A roasted Roma in Africa and shin Lajani. A roasted Visha Owadni's cho and every mahals in Africa and shin couple of shouting on. A roasted Misher and slave is mo in Africa.
Is it cause I give her and John Aaron?
Sure up.
Like it's hoodie weather. Was that you know, thought I'm right.
Jesus.
Shorts weather, hold it law, complain.
Fi mo kind of red. Vinta cayu na breach garage like me na naluk. Me
yeah. Is mitteta on go neffen dos Kosovo.
Ní héisina da no brinse. No, definitely find that Kosovo.
Is that neffen dos Kosovo. Kinder idiot a gastu teampos with like oh die breeze chin am hos Kosovo is a four. Like ní into sin idiot. At air to oh jeez we chill chin a marine like this is a four.
Yeah. Thank you.
These a Kosovo.
Apparently tagging Tain and Chasmas the group the lawa agus the like as the cliggin come Siobhan ar into snog me the lawa co nivnak.
I've been stocky gumiert, so stocky gloves is hat agus is shorts could a log complete.
nach ro to Rio is the labi agus vi the hudge cost if we are no hudge laid if we are access current to like na cost if we are or Dunyagan is the labi just like her shahar. Na Russian look at the Rio. Na ro hudge cost if we are agus a hot water bottle pasta it's fine you know to
laid a in the Rio Hugh get the raw be my winter gesh on that show stop please.
Bronarm, there's a Teddy is the syllabi good. Agus at the Gary and in his four. Agus like car being much costs if we are. Go real to be much costs if we are. But extremities are fought.
A cool shell though. So when James, you know, Martha's can be chegon janachli at the Agus and may just mo to the curb being to Nice show. I've not to see heart or the hoin being to four. Agus I would imagine. I mean, to see she's a what this road James.
Oh my god! Near hasi much quick woman agus Ronnie to violence agus much an Eagrán shot.
I'm feeling sassy today.
Nephew when Garosh, go Shanisa because ain't him lot to James exactly and that May. There's this thing ik see hard tone saku as if ni enum einrod real.
Oh, well it am sparlte go near the B has been to Igarker Scana no Igimmer Clihaig in their PlayStation or Xbox. Well, my recart.
And you have to be my gubber the reaction would be real to actually go
has been to the he.
Well, Nima, if I can torch a laptop lum or a treadmill, because may reach lum.
You know the end should just see a Facebook.
Ooh, well, Nima,
come on, you grow up, like, come on, 4 hobbies.
Baby.
Tá number of hobbies agam. Imagine new Dungeons and Dragons Jirok in the in Gleach Shaw.
Ich habe been an insult is sure a man of father, just like grow up. Agus duurste nog kom was meta ik een ober le fair vi like it's allergic go coconut just unresponsive lad over just to chat. Oh, grow up.
Is brelum sin mar fire because ní obrion like ní dhéanann se aon cíal like ní dhéanann se aon differ.
Yeah, like agus tá nana rá le cholle runne faoi aon rud like tá just perfect like just grow up. A cheam go ein go violence chacha I muchro cheam go si go rá á James ní hín dochas cosa fuair me go tú just dat a chosa hairy so we were like oh okay.
Tá móchuid casa gruig a fast.
Tá Hugh níos gruig an na duine rí.
Well, hold on, ní mar duine bí. Fá second. Tá níos gruig an nach James. Cén foioi atá seo darlú. Ní hiicim seo ar Harvey. Cén foioi.
I don't know, just I feel like it.
Hugh just si who gachlá agus a grúigeach
agus just molting cos le Bigfoot nó mar sin.
grúige a chorp go tú just braid on seach a chahéide.
Yeah. James
dreadlocks are the grim.
Yeah, tá got se a hibernation again in saoú seo, you know. Swiss listen the bears eile a test na crick. Just dog cratch like
this is really fun.
Yeah, Jerring A. Yeah, sinné an na Seansálaithe. Nemágu ach bhí mar críomhrichte chatting seo ga mar ra. Ma anna críomhrichte. Bhí se bhí se dalí le feiceáil das go Swiss Instagram agus cé tháinig ma ach Patrick Kielty. Ag good mo fast mar an host ar an late show. Bhí ma críomhrichte gur sinna dóid. Níor thuir fiú rífast agam le ré Bronzí's Hugh ní héan uair seo buntrial sa gin fihi blian eile. But, you know, se dalí feiceáil ding eile ag living your dreams mar a deartar.
Na go leor daoine rá nach bhfuil iscú cé
Crazy dúsa sin like well I mean like bhí me si gurgur BBC an tamar fád agus bhí se gcónaí mar cin na aonaí ar na chláircha grin sin a gcónaí so like sinna dóid bhfuil aithneagamm sir. Or holta is riomh mar James River solar first an post.
Buán like bhí some go comedian an duna grán gachas but like ní sam achas aibre ar éonchuid ach like nuair aimsa ná go nach chud an nócht seo isteach na macharm is a complete understatement like you know is cumlum sa fuck tá I mó a bh host a late show ní bhach ma brandware
no James Tá rud a bhamo ar an late be muidir fad a ggurgur sin a handle le seachting bhiltí dáchreite mar host Tá rud a bhamo sin.
I don't know. Leis the bush sin there's only so much talent that an a gorcha father, you know. Like out of my keen to go níos mú tal like mo na Patrick Kielty chun on show hostar. Leis the bush has bug take late show. Dirty actually no leis Tom show. In 20 years time like basically nach insin le you know basically mach bush níos mú so this so you know never know.
There's a couple of million Ellis of Rashaku le the Wamo Ellis Shack. Kerfoot you're like a road to like exul le shot. I'm just kind of the sim ogum sis scale on the fact okay vi on a way more and host to
like ní ró sé really Kirstán amachrum a heard New York Mayor ach bidrin tá Somalia le mama's dad Eagrán as fusion would be flicking over back. But ní rós come really mar an fao Patrick Kielty a heard bhí sú lena go mair but bhí really inarm nar fug she'd ban you know just le sort and buscushin a tickall agus you know I mean bhí fair sus godisha so the inarm vision because Louis she'd couple of ban a bhí sort grow in or into no.
Well Louis a couple of ban agus an sin they all pulled out so
oh really
yeah bhí sin an rud mór like bhí like three ban Mary McCallaghan, Áine Moine, Claire Byrne, Canella, agus Sarah McInerney and Criú anim. Oh, it's Jennifer Zamparelli.
Jennifer, yeah.
Well, nothing with her should cast for Jennifer Zamparelli, but definitely in Truella, she had some more killing than the front runners of Iaku. agus an trú acu hanig má agus dúirt ná muid geir dhéanú.
Agus rinne Hugh
Ahaníocht.
mar
Bhí
bhín
factus ag Hugh ar
never
Instagram.
pulls out.
Never.
Kom cecha deirlach se. He never pulls out.
agus cé chu dansrás atá se, you know, na
Risky lifestyle.
Yeah,
Oh,
listen. They're current to two.
nu me deide.
They're current to two. So we have caiiti dulhun creek. You know the nerves are going.
Hugh on until she sang. Until she sang, the Hugh on.
Let me tell you, Haroshi Kyo. It was a. Yeah,
It's an Angelus to be honest, is it? But
it was actually just 5 mahas machach. You know the whole man.
You bugger herring na marash na mahas.
Be like,
God.
yeah, be like funny different like handing if vi there's ban wangrosi Gary small am kind of child then you went a dirt Harosh groshid hon cartus Jim Claire Burn dirty groshi cartus la Claire nua igen am cairne agus groshi Gary ve bunch lashin Sarah McInerney the grass is irishori la lish polichiat agus ta techan de ve on million sugar so vi like nima Gary gan a bheith in an sinna clúdú mar sin, you know, an rud to macréí an so bhí like fáinní de fulig a haninge agus sinna bhagur but sin go like mona ro ein ban ar fáil agus ein rud agus fásta like is fiú dinge el the wargur mai fásta like you know like yeah
bun her an gnéis
I suppose har amaku like comedian all like like tá cholle like nu tatu a cholle gompras a cholle chacho ele etá more is comedians Jimmy Fallon, Graham Norton, Jimmy Kimmel,
Ross,
Seth Green,
Ross, Seth Meyers, the Luke, light-hearted, pulling jokes. Ni like it's agluvathon, but it's ni agluvathon at the same time. It's like a bit of crack. Like it's not Dini Guerra. Ni should get a friggin' geisha like tuberty. It can't flee the fucking great ancestors as fucking Paul fucking Kunde Loch Gorman their teams, you know.
Generation or late.
Oh, I don't know, but I just me rather than more late, but that's what I imagined to get. Just coming back on the tuberty, who do you think you are the one? So I just thought we rocked with that.
Tá bronaring as dargud story a Loch Garman just catching strays and shin.
Sorry, it's a firing line. Yeah.
Ach, the sinner good could you're like Kaish everything you grammar, but chin fossil Patrick Kielty is fageless nor the Yanu like a land documentary chanta chanta my Jenny Waggle fui like ready to go a race tushkert more gerbas tushkert agus gerwaru ahersiga Gwaru an IRA shilum agus so ta like is chim goes and there ruddy anu and killed and like an crack of agus fásta nuirtá cos tá ceann an late like cé napíimsa a ggurchar choíalta hurd is ceann a cosla institute jogur se cosla is costa go much fáil like you know sired paras de nua ceann like
no moon tour or
where it's like
tasú blian scoile or
like tá like a Shaw rud atá an Shaw le fadan le agus a main well look baby le fecha a bench and a gcónaí agus to think you were a ganister so it's kind of like oh like Shaw sé atá chun sú lá nar James Jack ach na ma beam sa gurker or ach no Jerry go mééis mar ra mai a mééis bh gurcanis ar sin a nachtanis go an Eagrán dearnach de chud Ryan Tuberty inis be migaldí ar an Claire.
Peter, mi alla go migaldí go bheith ar during go mé line up mai hocuh nacht so Peter just an orjourna. Chance well mon rud bean is her come bheith Jenny. Ben green a tanu so I don't know chance go me we camp na go mar no she's town.
Gary ag gurk ar an Claire Jarnach ach ní mar jaag gur bé an Claire Jarnach it's just like mat an aoní mais man bhfuil ma genú ein rud eile den beidir be ma that's piece of starton you know kill that
Saki mé reeling in the years again for your blame
Cumé blianais. Bhín Eagrán uair acu gach teag blian na blian.
Julian, yeah.
So
I think would it sam go mé in rud cin seo?
Ní mar cinn si cadtá gastas ach definitely bhí mar genú aon rud eile agus na
I know,
fáin.
like beidir go má gimmert like Scrabble le mhád an rud cin.
Well, I mean, in fairness, James, being in buig the wadu a handle am, caiith to just.
I know, that fucker smart. See, thoughts like that chuig ní am sa 4-letter words a mochi cean.
Yeah.
Tá má úfás a chuig word.
Stop. Ring Mr. Wordle dan chead uair le ling like blian na rá in sin le jarnach. Agus tá se go fáilón. Like tá intas arm go dingi go fáile genua.
Pan can gael gan folklach in your sin real.
Yeah.
Uair na rá, yeah.
Funny story for my folklach Udawan for my head guess that.
Margaret James Vion should have fired.
Damn. Get us some tactics.
It's right in my head, JMAES. Yeah, got it.
No, in fact, the gamers wordle though, ta folklach a chas to see that.
Adieu.
Oh, no.
No, Kinkin was this it. Audio. Dan foiag céar na lumsa mar go bhfuil ceair don na chuig Tá mis just get a book níos French leis.
Yeah.
Adieu. Cás go sé art.
Adieu.
Adieu. I bhfuil aonteanga eile agah. I don't believe ní creid ná harmad ce seo ar bhrío. Well sibh sin an aonteanga eile a Lord.
Frankish.
Like gomáid, like bhfuil Frankish mai good.
Níl ní smó. Rinne mé blian sa rank sure. Rinne tá céim a gom sa rankish.
Aye, but like sure tá céim agam sa barla agus ar curcé go máid.
Sean dolí Lord.
That céim ag a lad seo Matt.
Yeah.
Agus ní creid me count sin caiim ein diploma eáil.
Ní diploma just caiim age anú som. Sin rud a bhain go caiim eáil.
No, we get to book long division ag fel nig
actually on rucha ang lahana vi was just mo agus him a kant drama ma gobela agus mis like raw oh yeah so kidding on to a college agus chomach read like you know or ima mo bon came is ma mo an MA exchange ma MSc so like raw what the 3 degree at so then like just running joke on nach greden ein like going on the mission rucha and luxus agus some like I wish Ganyarna, but Hama in edit all my culture.
I'm agus argid, like, you know, like, ní just, like, as much as just Hugh BA, you know, shouldn't really want, like, to keep this line argid, leve, her, and numberke litra in the Danium.
Who doesn't have a BA?
Who doesn't have a BA? Dig you chain, could you level 7s subscription? At the legends. Shout out like my technical university brothers. Shout out like the lads sa LYIT or Visa LYIT tá sé mar Atlantic Technological University. Shout out to the lads.
Tá aine mar aine BA MA.
BA Int MA. Meall go Arts International go meall Erasmus. Yeah, so
International Arts. International Arts.
International Arts.
Banger, absolute banger.
Was that funny for Origin actually? Eentje international love. Ach nie eentje ach artsige in America.
1 second. There was a curse was VAR or Shaw.
The MA Amsa Media, I've looked into these things.
Agus Samata. Ringman calculation.
No. BA Samata.
On your logo that BA Samata. Oh, well then, sure, look.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah, you put it down like New York City, wild like Los Angeles, hotter than Miami. It's international love.
Yeah.
No, fun second.
Oh, I can say it.
Definitely Paris or something.
Jared on the place on the globe I didn't know existed. In Romania, she pulled me to the side and told me, Pitt, you can have me and my sister. Sorry, the Shama Ahrish Pitbull. in Romania, she pulled me. Oh, wait, in Lebanon, yeah. Oh no, Nima Hunter. That's actually.
Táú comá hiic
In Lebanon, yeah, the women, the bomb, and in Greece, you guessed it, the women
They
are
won this
sweet.
week.
See,
All around
fantastic.
the world, there ain't no lie. There's nothing like Miami. You see, I put it down like New York City.
That's more like it.
Oh my god.
Bhí Hugh a léisisin cos le padre.
Yeah, man, like, come on, man. Could fucking like it's like no 2010s raps and they look like on knowledge of formation with 3 degrees back there. 2010s raps right in the frontal lobe, chin. I tell you that.
1 second. Ta parchon for so it's like in Yenansha like Turspug, so so then Ked versus for like in Europe, Romania, because Greece isn't teaching or whatever, and then change
Lebanon's
yeah, I'm not exactly. It wasn't exactly perfect. Like orientation.
Can them up, please.
Never. And Shin Jen and Chad running up from you, like South America. Down in DR, they're looking for visas. I ain't taking credit cards, if you know what I mean.
Know what I mean? Ooh.
On Cuba, la cosa es dura, but the women get down, if you know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
Go on, Jin Kakanella. In Colombia.
In Colombia.
The women got everything done, but there's some of the most beautiful women I've ever seen.
Oh,
no, shocking is massive. In Brazil, they're freaky with big old boobs. And their thongs blue, yellow, and green.
Blue, yellow, and green.
Saoirse James ar bhí sé dóigh gur seo sa chomarlapa.
No, it's these
fólam na focail.
It's these disco. Sean that if James like fall a shift to an orange agus é sé jig, absolutely.
Bhí sé tactic na na ceol se looked at ma. Creamlum no honey riding solo with Jason Derulo ma chuma sí sa mo sunglasses. Chuma shoot a star. Ran solo. Oh
my god. But Lana speculation as we should like be línte. It was like
Shin Kanye. Oh
yeah. Just James a howlu kai
Shin gas. I actually
need nerd humor.
Yeah.
She go be shown like in tangent is small. Sa gentle going a real.
Ag genu Kershey sin na lyricí that are on Pitbull ní craide mé. Ní
cé dói a dánimuid ó late show go dí seo like ní fi cuihannom.
Because mar go Pitbull a gay Kersh jahar an post. She didn't come in.
Yeah. Mr. Worldwide.
Mr. 305 ag genu cócaracht la Nevin Maguire. Ben a gurker sin.
Well, lied near us she'd Philip Schofield the role.
Oh, well, shouldn't have passed the earth like Ryan Tuberty. You know the whole mission. Slownish that. Bill Chestnut actually far than Postion. It's banger in orange and faster.
It's Slownish DMs Holly Willabooby.
Hollywood.
You could have made dinner be election or he let Gemlin I'd say.
Shin like Jane Tanger for your Clarkson celebrity juice. What couldn't you give her in Clarkson?
Yeah.
Keith
Willoughby, yeah.
Willoughby. They shall good. They're a bullen to lake here, Jenny Kinchik go show good Mars Garth.
No, honestly, the my brain is a simple being. Because I'm animal on so and I will not be able to not say it.
Definitely dirty. Hello, Holly Willoughby, just pull that.
Yeah, we were like, Holly Willoughby.
Holly.
I don't buy dead Holly from the yeah, it's because Neuro ain't fanfare because they fágáil so they're like get the book sauce.
And walkie shivan sir tribute hug she'd
tribute
in Hammond as Dermot O'Leary.
Tribute in quotation marks.
Oh, like poker faces are in vertigo. Neuro she'd igiri shani and herbe.
But bija castle gur worship boys. Like it was like Troha second two Sinclair agus the Kelda like slideshow that Áine siga. agus bhí sé really costly.
Victory dó le dinner bí eile ar an Éireann,
No.
which was weird. Like níor cin dó le Holly nó le Alison na dinner bí. Bhí sin áisteach.
Ní cloisiom Holly ach mar dunne
Ní.
se aú Holly. Holly an tanin bhíar mád so actually.
Ali.
Holly
Rip.
books up gonne. Rip fly high queen. You blind bitch. Yeah, no just similar fecal to take a ray or céin, you know, cé tá chun chart má. Seans nach chuí aon rud má agus tá much like ar fád just I lé go mór seanseo and it's all like for the press and it's gonna crack. But chance school running it more le seach. And yeah, sibh an past Martian though, you know, like the past nation of tell like a bit more life or like Ireland AM sin agus caiitú írí like sé logger mod or quick logger mod agus you know to cover could you like at the creating like and lay log than jail log and yeah not really immersion like
Yeah. Ní go joy. Yen hin when you couple bliana an tahi agus I mean I'd say go mac an target go mai. Has van an tahi mai and tá sort sear sin tag leis mai mac tú sear de I know Becker do lí an nua but tá lám ná agat.
Sin rod.
You know like ní mó níos fear na ru dé gan bheith creating agat luar margin like ní bheith is go fi seo but like when you took gym luar margin no.
Lads Jared's fuck like oh my god.
I mean,
So Hugh, that actually let to go on as a Sheikh Hogamazi. Agus.
Oh, Tessa go mé cos sinna ná a téma lí a gra and
True.
Sinna fád nach féintin an éanú cos like that's immediately then ahan gig if you my Gary Dolhig and sin bhar éver like ar an aine ná really immer sin.
Just like lawn football special at Chugal, so those who do watching.
Just
like
like
wired on television.
Just was good right. Ze uruchlig. Ze uruchlig. Ze mliam sa tochi. Agus da ein kursach an Ireland AM. Agus da Hugh kursach an late. So.
I curtús leis go trí thugur mágin, mis dul ddíireach ó an takeaway McGuinness's ar Sraith Camden ddíire RTE.
I think was a tough and like was a doelhandig obviously like there's an arm. Sometimes da fair da show like medical show sports agus bin se ed if I 3 uur like gach law.
Yeah.
Like Monday to Friday got like 3 uur like it can't free like it's just mental like you know ik was aan like allowed for needed really different in that amount of time and to stretch it out. I sort of it's crazy. Yeah, it is though was a class end though. So yeah.
Agus bín dis a gurcur sin ahan nuair a bhín muing a hang out fásta sin sin an lad cearna a bhín yeah an leor. Seo listen that aon danne right má chain tú you know má bíon tú mór courage le James. Na beidir dinge take éis le seo a tá chundar cunne le James. Agus an sin, you know, Patrick mé girlfriend buga. Well, listen, chance guitar you never know. Or ugla na hugla. Shaw and I a chain a caiú amla James, right? Talking to Shaki the Chach and kit bag lash, kind Sean well she's been like right blah blah blah. All you know, been could be cracky or whatever. Agus few gazé can't just find on TV remote current or telefish. Gira hig YouTube. Gira hig either sport. No sad boy summer bangers sin there ruddy agus like ní bhíon aon rá go Sean rud give no good mythical morning fasta
yeah seo really skipui agus like ní a dúir te brandú lom go dtí like cúdeag numa de seach a glár because like tá still a concept agus am choréid and then you realize onto go to in my world.
Arla sin dú sin chéidir gur stop mai de hasasa bhí hanig bu seach bhí hi má bhí magus an sin which is cancelling or whatever and then suddenly bhí mu gurcur lads ag buntrialas like mil sean ó like na cuigadí just out of nowhere agus you were like céin dá sa fuck se like céin dá Harley seo
and sin lad Bible snack wars
no good mythical morning
good mythical morning
yeah the class
fágáil
Good
ré.
guys, good guys.
Shout out Rhett and Link. Shout out agus an ceol an bhfuil Rhett. Sílim an lad an féasach.
Yeah,
Yeah.
an country ceol.
Yeah, well I know
Yeah.
go out this géis leis an.
Rhett is a babe. Like,
Yeah?
Sean to
Yeah.
link. At a link's a dope like.
Yeah, Link's like cute though, but Rhett tá sé iartha níos níos deise le ís arcan sé.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
He's
Um,
built.
So much a begéisi le seo Rettig's link. Much a begearing you could at a glór agus bheith bans tríal as bathe eisteach just slide into those DMs. Agus fásta
Anybody.
mátá ein mráin a bhhail go a chuine le an womanizer Hugh Carr. Shoot us a DM.
Womanizer Hugh Carr, Jay will two country. Go leis
Rá sé chunne le dinner bhí.
Whoa! Fun second.
Hey, tá mission
Fun.
just in the layout sus agus a Áine knock them out of the park. The sassy Áine on the new agus níl that sassy like you. Tá mission chuapi nach chum a firing line again.
Bhí James a dhéanú teach gotcha. Seo má ggóis.
Yeah. Listen, it's what do you call it? It was amle tarlu. We shall just, you know,
Feels good.
we shall ogum raw white la raw ada. It was just if you know Jenny Comation exists, I'm just being absolutely roasted. Listen,
Beirt's a sassy Jack and Jogan Hugh.
Yeah.
do you know what? The Comedy Central roast of James Xan, you screw and because much fall ray. Don cead agran eile. Ach sílam go bhééis sin é don agran seo sílam go muid gnám. Ach gur míle maigad is bhí géisiir leis the Comedy Central roasting of Hugh Carr. An seachting seo tá bronarm caiimime dul go Jiminis agus ag fáas má hón gan genú ein
Ceirtas tú rilí déidir don tróna Hugh.
Tá mai gimmert D&D dintíh sulir hasí mu tafad.
I know, bhí méid just scír a hand an eile.
Yeah, listen, tá a géirí spicy inis le den session seo agus sin nar cruúnim sin dearhan go mé maig Emmerich Zelda in sin Tears of the Kingdom tá se fecin unreal a go dtí sin go dtí gur conium arás go dtí mo hud addictions of ixí hartí genu géin rud gur maigad bhgéisi de Seansa mu gaiimiid amsú ar na man hosta tá ag na Seansa ar Instagram na Seansa ar Twitter agus na Seansa ar YouTube agus muide amsú ar go éí gáanta agus chud casa cilíonn don ced le leat an agran fásta. Oh no, there's go fáin sin.
Go fáin sin, yeah.
Mas a gur Áine amsú na man hosta tá sin mar anywhere ar Twitter, anywhere ar Instagram, anywhere ar TikTok. Mas a gur James amsú na man hosta tá mar flahartach ar Twitter, flahartach ar Instagram agus flahartach ar TikTok. Agus mas a gur mahéna amsú na man hosta tá mar Hugh Carr here ar Twitter, Hugh Carr here ar Instagram agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Na Jenny Jarmud cookish could you feel in the galley crazy absolutely dog right which I chat to us Tá se gilbh fian go se ag chat suas go gasta caiime se an am sin na buá leis number ach bitir grant agus ach tá gin show beá an sin so gin cinse le bhéh linn an seachting an Jerry seachting sin an líú le do mí meheh go dtín híú le Jake be se fian be se deadly Tá bhfuil éon rud eile le plugáil ní síom go bhéis sin é bhfuil éon rud eile
Yeah.
Deadly. Well, tá sé gon bunsalt as an Eagrán fange Jake Womaches so James chat ar Zoom call eile ach go dtí sin But í salt is Jerry chatting agus be marrás an chatting suing le agranúir dá na Seansálaithe. Slán!
Oh.